Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to make a quick video real fast. I recently just got this Leatherman rebar and I love this so much. Well, the pouch, from me wearing it every day, and plus it was used when I got it, is starting to come apart. And I'm afraid that I'm gonna lose it, or just, I don't know. I don't want to take the chance. So I was thinking about sewing it, but I'm not the best sewer. So the other day, one of the members of my church actually gave me this Ozark Trail 12-in-1 multi-tool. Here it is right here. It's a really nice tool, but what's even great is it comes with this case, and I believe this case has like cardboard or something in it, so I don't know if you can see that, but it actually keeps its shape. And what's the best part is the Leatherman rebar fits in there perfect, and it has a snap enclosure instead of the Velcro. And I mean, it's made out of the same materials of the Leatherman, it's just out of Ozark Trail. But I just wanted to show everyone this, just because, you know, it's just an easy fix. And this is the Ozark Trail was, I think, like $3.99 at Walmart for this multi-tool. And it has cutters, pliers, it's got a straight blade on it, a Phillips, I believe this is, I'm not even sure what this is. Oh, it's an awl. Okay, an awl, a can opener, a file, medium slotted screwdriver, small slotted screwdriver, for under $5, and you get this really nice case. So I just wanted to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.